Now, to get results in anything in life, you need to have a GPS. You need to have clarity, right? So let me explain the 3 types of freedom there are, right? There's location freedom, time freedom, and financial freedom. Now, the way I've seen it in my life and the people around me, people I interact with, the first domino to fall is location freedom. This is the first freedom most people can realistically achieve. And that's the one I'm tackling with CNA, right? With location freedom, you can do it through 2 major avenues. The first is corporate workers, 9 to 5 people. So if you're working a 9 to 5, this is for you. You can get location freedom by negotiating for remote work, okay? Now, after that, you can get time freedom. Time freedom is a bit more difficult, but in this day and age, the worst thing you can do is to trade your hours for money, because then you're locked. There's only 24 hours in a day and your time is only limited, right? So that's the worst trade-off of all time. So how do we get to here? Technically, this is advanced. I'm only focusing on this, but I just want to help as many people as possible. You want to go digital, right? So by having digital products, things online that are running evergreen in the background, whatever time zone people are in, they can consume your stuff. That is going to print money for you, right? And you don't have to trade your time for money. That's just one thing you can do. The other thing, I got this from Cody Sanchez, by the way, is equity. If you get equity in a business, then again, it's gonna grow and it does not require you to trade your time for that increase in profits and revenue, right? So you don't have to do that. These are the 2 major functions of time freedom, right? Now, financial freedom, that's the big one. Everyone wants that, right? There's ton of different ways to get there. So I'm not gonna focus on that. If you guys wanna get some course that teaches you on that, I'm not gonna lie to you and pretend I'm some kind of guru. There's different avenues to get there, but I just wanted you to visually see what happens. So the first domino to fall is location freedom. You get that done, and then this is gonna cause a domino effect with the other freedoms, because now you're saving so much time, even more time in exchange for your dollars, and then you can have and see the snowball effect that everyone wants, which is the financial freedom. So just wanted to get that clarity out of the way.